Okay, she's all fixed.
Hell, who's ringing the bell? If you want service, you'll have to come up to the counter.
For the last time, I told you I'm fixing your new burglar alarm.
That reminds me, I have got to get a burglar alarm. Very important. What the hell is that?
The burglar alarm!
Burglar alarm! Right, right. I'm tracking with you now. I can handle it. I can handle it.
Okay, now I just gotta fix the wires in the back door, and then I'll be finished.
Is there somebody behind us?
No!
Okay, never mind. Must have been a shadow. There's nobody there. Is there? No. No.
Hey, listen, brother, you gotta stop eating in your profits.
Profits?
Okay.
I'm a pharmacist. I'm not in this for the money. I'm here to serve people. Oh, no. Mr. Arm is taking a nap. Come on, wake up, wake up, wake up. All right. There we go. Siesta's over, back to work. Oh.
Excuse me, please.
Yeah. All right, ignore it. The voice will go away if I just simply ignore it.
Excuse me.
I can handle it. I can handle it.
Down here, please.
Oh, my God, I've done it now. I've tripled in size. Oh, no. Oh.
Not really. I'm just a little shorter than you.
Oh, of course. Just a little bit shorter. I can handle it. I can handle it. Hi, can I help you?
What I need is some, protection. You know, personal.
Are there ashes floating in here? Boy, it sure seems like it.
I don't see any.
No, right, of course not. There are no ashes in this room. I can handle it. I can handle it.
Hey, man, did you get him yet?
Get what? You haven't told me what you wanted yet. I was... Double image. Now, that is a dangerous side effect that is not on that label.
You see, we try to be very conscientious when it comes to matters of sex.
Let me tell you something about sex. There's no such thing. It doesn't exist. Look at me. I've tried sex hundreds of times and nothing happens. It's a myth. Sex is a concept that interferes with fantasy. Whoa. That's deep.
Maybe we should try a love boutique. Come on, let's get out. Come on, let's
The bell. I've got ashes in my throat. Pregnancy test. I can handle it. As long as he doesn't murder me, I can handle it. Hi, can I help you?
Yeah, I need some pain pills.
Pills, right. No, where's your prescription?
I lost it.
Sorry. No prescription, no pills. We have to, you can't pass this stuff out like popcorn, you know? No, these are controlled substances regulated by men in Washington who run computers. You have to have a prescription, you see, or people would abuse themselves.
I just found it.
Boy, Hey, Lady Luck is riding with you today.
Yeah, I had an accident. Playing frisbee with an axe.
Oh, yeah. Well, that can be dangerous. Look out! Did you see that? Green and blue flashing sucker nearly tore off my elbow. Okay, never mind. Never mind. Must be me, because you would see it.
Shut up and get something for my hand.
Help! We're being burglarized! Call the police! Get the SWAT team!
Yeah, well, while you're doing that, I'll be on my way.
Hello. He's probably hiding in the back. How did you get in? I give up. I surrender.
What's the matter with you? I'm just testing the alarm.
Here. Take everything. Take everything I've got. Just don't hurt me. Here, take it. Now, take it. Get out. That's all I've got.
Yeah, I think that about does it.
Oh, my God. He cleaned me out. He cleaned me out. I've still got my health. Okay. Oh, safe. Safe at last. I can handle it. I can handle it.